Apple has just dropped the highly anticipated iPhone 16, and it's packed with new features. From the powerful A18 chip to the incredible camera control system, we're diving into everything that makes this device a true game changer. Design and display. First off, let's talk design. The iPhone 16 comes in 5 stunning colors: black, white, pink, teal, and ultramarine, and maintains the sleek, premium feel Apple fans love. The Pro models come with a 6.1-inch and 6.7-inch display, featuring the Super Retina XDR display for richer colors and higher contrast. Performance. Under the hood, the iPhone 16 runs on Apple's all-new A18 chip, which delivers incredible performance improvements. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or editing high-resolution video, the A18 handles it all smoothly. Apple claims it's 20% faster than the A17, making it perfect for AAA gaming, editing on the go, or simply keeping up with daily tasks. Camera. Now let's move to one of the most exciting upgrades: camera control. The iPhone 16 introduces a 48MP fusion camera with 2x telephoto zoom, offering sharp detail in every shot. But the real magic is in the camera control, a feature that lets you adjust focus, exposure, and even capture macro shots with ease. With camera control, it's like having a mini DSLR in your pocket. Imagine shooting beautiful landscapes, portraits, or even product reviews with professional precision. Battery and charging. Battery life is another area where the iPhone 16 shines. With a bigger battery and improved efficiency thanks to the A18 chip, you can expect up to 2 hours more use compared to the iPhone 15. Plus, wireless charging is faster than ever with MagSafe's new Qi 2 support, delivering up to 25W charging speeds. Apple Intelligence and iOS 18. Finally, let's talk about Apple Intelligence. Integrated with iOS 18, this AI-driven system learns from your habits and helps you navigate daily tasks, whether it's summarizing notes, rewriting emails, or even transcribing calls. With a focus on privacy, Apple Intelligence ensures all data remains secure. This personal AI feature elevates iPhone's usability to a whole new level, setting it apart from competitors like the Google Pixel or Samsung Galaxy series. So, is the iPhone 16 the ultimate upgrade? With its next-gen A18 chip, camera control system, and AI integration, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching.